I show this because it's not often that someone can have a pretty large amount of student loan debt and get their payment counted as zero. Because if you see their payment normally is $2,000. Like I say normally because that's how much the fully amortized payment was. And they got onto an income-driven payment, and because they filed when they were between jobs for the year, that was when their paperwork was due, they got a $0 payment, and that was actually used by Fannie Mae to get a zero on their DTI. Rare unicorn, and I only say it's a rare unicorn because it's a rare unicorn for people who don't work with LoanSense. For people who work with LoanSense, we will tell them how they can get a $0 payment. Like, let's say somebody has so much student debt and they're like, there's no way they can afford unless they don't have this student debt. Well, people change jobs every so often, so they can enroll into a new plan to get the documents at zero for the mortgage process. It's not like we want to keep them at zero forever, but like for the mortgage purpose, we want to get the docs that they can reduce it as much as possible. And then how they manage it post-close, like we'll work with them, right? So I just share this because this is an important document that that helped this person be able to get into a house despite having a large amount of student debt. But the strategy and the action is really, really important to actually being able to get the results they need, which is like, how do they carry debt and be able to buy? Otherwise, the system is saying if they try to figure it out on their own, that they're not going to buy until they pay off this debt in 10 years, which most people are starting grad school in their early 30s. So if the message is like pay down your debt before you buy, they're not going to be able to buy until they're like 45 years old, 43 years old by the time they finish their degree. So if you do this, you help them manage their student loans. They can buy a house instead of paying excessive high rents.